ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरावनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। रीडिंग फ्रॉम श्रीमद् भागवतम कैंटो 1 चैप्टर 10 टेक्स्ट नंबर 11 and 12. सत्संगान मुक्त दुह संगो हातुम नोत्सहते बुधः। कीर्त्यमानं यशो यस्य सकृत् आकर्ण्यरोचनम्। तस्मिन्यस्तधिय पार्था सहेरन् विरहं कथम्। दर्शन स्पर्श संलाप शयनासन भोजनय। सत्संगान् मुक्त दोषंगो हातुं नोत्सहते बुधः। कीर्त्यमानं यशो यस्य सकृत् आकर्ण्यरोचनम्। तस्मिन्यस्तदीय पार्थाः सहेरन् विरहं कथम्। दर्शन स्पर्श संलाप
Sayanyasana Bhojanahai.
शयनासन भोजनै सत्संगात
Satsanga.
by the association of pure devotees.
Association of pure devotees.
Mukta duhasanga,
Bhukti.
freed from bad materialistic association.
Reading bad association.
Hatum,
Ashram.
to give up.
Give up.
Na utsahate,
Not Uttarahe.
never attempts.
Never done.
Buddha,
Buddha.
one who has understood the Lord. Kirtyamanam,
Kirtimanam.
glorifying.
Glorified.
Yashaha,
Yashaha.
fame.
Then.
Yasya,
Yasya.
whose.
Who.
Sakrat,
Sakrit.
once only.
One only.
Akarnya,
Akanya.
hearing only.
Hearing only.
Rochanam,
Rothanam.
pleasing.
Reason.
Tasmin,
Tasman.
unto him.
Unto him.
Nyastadhiyah,
Nitya.
one who has given his mind unto him.
One is given mind to him.
Parthaha,
Parthaha.
the sons of Pratha.
Samsita.
Saheran,
Seva.
can tolerate.
Kantara.
Viraham,
Yaham.
separation.
Separation.
Katham,
Kitam.
how. Darshana,
Darshana.
seeing face to face.
Seeing face to face.
Sparsha,
Parsha.
touching.
Touching.
Samlapa,
Samlapa.
conversing.
Conversing.
Shayana,
Sena.
sleeping.
Sleeping.
Asana,
Asana.
sitting.
Sitting.
Bhojanai,
Bhojana.
dining together.
Dining together.
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Sri Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The intelligent who have understood the Supreme Lord in association with pure devotees and have become freed from bad materialistic association can never avoid hearing the glories of the Lord, even though they have heard them only once. How then could the Pandavas tolerate his separation, for they had been intimately associated with his person, seeing him face to face, touching him, conversing with him, sleeping, sitting and dining with him? Please repeat. The intelligent
The intelligent
who have understood
who have understood
the Supreme Lord
the Supreme Lord
in association with pure devotees
in association with pure devotees
and have become freed
have become free
from bad materialistic association
without spiritual association.
can never avoid hearing
You are going to hear
the glories of the Lord,
the glories of the Lord,
even though
even though
they have heard them only once.
they don't hear them much.
How then
How then
could the Pandavas
will the Pandavas
tolerate his separation?
tolerate separation?
For they had been intimately associated
They are intimately associated
with his person,
with the person,
seeing him face to face,
living face to face,
touching him,
touching him,
conversing with him,
conversing with him,
and sleeping,
sleeping,
sitting,
sitting,
and dining with him.
dining.
Purport. The living being's constitutional position is one of the serving the superior. He is obliged to serve by force the dictates of illusory material energy in different phases of sense gratification. And in serving the senses, he is never tired. Even though he may be tired, the illusory energy perpetually forces him to do so without being satisfied. There is no end to such sense gratificatory business, and the conditioned soul becomes entangled in such servitude without hope of release. The release is only affected by association with pure devotees. By such association, one is gradually promoted to his transcendental consciousness. Thus, he can know that his external position is to render service, eternal position to render service unto the Lord, and not to the perverted senses, the capacity of lust, anger, desire to lord it over, etc. Material society, friendship and love are all different phases of lust. Home, country, family, society, wealth and all sorts of corollaries are all causes of bondage in the material world, where the threefold miseries of life are concomitant factors. By associating with pure devotees and by hearing them submissively, attachment for material enjoyment becomes slackened, and attraction for hearing about the transcendental activity of the Lord becomes prominent. Once they will go on progressively without stoppage. Like fire in gunpowder. It is said that Hari, the personality of Godhead, is so transcendently attractive that even those who are self-satisfied by self-realization and are factually liberated from all material bondage also become devotees of the Lord. Under the circumstances, it is easily understood what must have been the position of the Pandavas, who were constant companions of the Lord. They could not even think of separation from Shri Krishna, since the attraction was more intense for them because of continuous personal contact. His remembrance by his form, quality, name, fame, pastime, etc. is also attractive to the pure devotee, so much so that he forgets all form, quality, name, fame and activities of the mundane world. And due to his mature association with pure devotees, he is not out of contact with the Lord for a moment. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Presthaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swamin Iti Namine Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Presthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Desha Tarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Satsangana Mukta Dhosango Atum Notsahate Buddha Kirtyamanam Ayasho Yasya Sakrat Akaranya Rochanam Tasminyasta Diha Partha Saheran Viharam Katham Darshana Sparsha Samlapa Shayanasana Bhojanai. The intelligent who have understood the Supreme Lord in association with pure devotees and have become freed from bad materialistic association can never avoid hearing the glories of the Lord, even though they have heard them only once. How then could the Pandavas tolerate his separation, for they had been intimately associated with his person, seeing him face to face, touching him, conversing with him, and sleeping, sitting, and dining with him? Suta Goswami is now explaining the effects of association, Satsangan. Very interesting. When we have Satsangan, Satsang, Sadhu Sang, and also Satsang. Satsang means, Sat means eternal. So, having association with eternal that means that is the meaning of Satsanga. So when we have that association, then Mukto Sangha. That means you must become free from bad materialistic association. Duhu Sangha means bad association. So we have to give up. Once we understand Krishna, at least start understanding Krishna, get little attracted to Krishna, then that's what happens, then the other associations look not so good. Because it's like, once you get that higher taste, then everything else looks like useless. We have seen this happening to many devotees, like they when they narrate their experiences after becoming Krishna conscious, starting their journey in Krishna consciousness. So that is the first sign. In fact, when people ask, how do we know that we are progressing? The first sign is that you do not like the association of materialistic anymore, like you used to have it earlier. I mean, I always remember this, and I keep telling this. Way back in Bangalore, some devotees joined. They keep joining anyway, but I'm just telling of that time. So this one Mataji, her husband was working in a space research organization, and they were pure impersonalists, And then they came, and then they were very reluctant in the beginning, but within a few months, they became very attracted to the Bhakti Vrikshas. So I used to visit different Bhakti Vrikshas. So I went there one time. It was not my Bhakti Vrikshas, somebody else's. Somebody else was facilitator. So there, I just talking to everybody after the class, after the session was over, and I said, I would like to hear some realization after joining what happened to them. So this Mataji, old lady, she said, Prabhu, I can see it happening. What is that happening? So she says, earlier, I used to go to all these kitty parties, this party, that party, Now, when my material friends come home, she says, I can tolerate them for about 15 minutes. There's a courtesy. After that, I just start, looking for some excuse to get them out. So I asked why. He said, because they just talk some mundane things all the time, politics, cinema. And when we hear Krishna Katha, then everything else looks so useless. And here is a Sakrat Akaranya. Sakrat. Once only. Even if you hear it only once. But so the question may come, then why don't people come back? The answer is they don't even hear, They even first time they have not heard it. They were there. They come to the temple for different reason, They just want to, somebody, okay, there's some particular day, so you must go and have darshan or something like that. So they just want to check out, as they say, So when you are checking out, you're not interested. If people come to the shop and then you ask them, can I help you? No, we are just checking out. That means they already declared that they are not interested. Same way, when they come to the temple or some festival, then they're just checking out. That means you can be rest assured. Of course, even after they say that they are very much interested, they have no time. But here, it's a very natural process here. Sutta Goswami explained that Pandavas, they were sleeping, sitting, talking every day almost to Krishna. So how attachment will not take place? So natural. And Krishna is not ordinary. Even in our mundane world, we see that, we are with somebody for long, then we develop the attachment. That's what happens to the families. Why people are so much, in distress when some family member goes, because of that attachment. Now, of course, people are attached to cats and dogs more than men. Any two ladies you meet, they meet somewhere, the topic will be there, either cat or dog, not of their husband or son or something. And they describe it in so much detail that every move of that little guy, or big guy, whatever, is there. And then they will say, oh my God, oh, is it? How sweet. So they treat, it's the other way around now, you treat humans like animals and animals like humans. Not all. Not all animals, you know. Same people don't hesitate eating a cow, but their cat and dog is much more important. So this is the result, and then the separation comes because it's a material world. Separation will be there. Then when separation comes, you are in deep trouble, you know. Like, don't feel like eating, you know, don't feel like going for work. So I always say that an average American has 7 separations in his, you know, even if he lives for 100 years, he has at least 7 separations. Somebody asks how? If a dog's life is about 14 years max. So if you are 100 years old, then at least 7 dogs you have changed in your lifetime. And then every time the dog dies, you are in. So at least 7 is guaranteed. I'm not counting your husband, wife, children, and all that. If at all you are attached to them, because people are not even they're not even married, you know, they're not have anything, some attachment somewhere. So the question is how the Pandavas can tolerate Saheran, how can they tolerate this separation? Viraham Katham. Viraham. How? That's very natural. And Krishna association is like that. You know, anybody gets that association, gets that taste, then this home, country, this, that, all comes secondary. You know, it's okay. It's very difficult to get away from that totally. Some have managed. We see some devotees who have managed that, you know, they are absolutely not attached. Sannyasis. But otherwise, we are still there. So how do we get away? Satsangam. That's the best medicine. But again, we must be careful about the satsangam. You know, we cannot blindly take some association just because the color is